Oh, had something.
Holy crap. Nice one.
Dang,
Beauty.
that's a nice colored one. But he's so perfectly hooked too. That's a nice one. It looks like a hybrid kinda.
Yeah, it does.
Should we keep going? Whoa, that's a fish. Oh my goodness, I didn't even know that was a fish. I thought I was snagged.
Another nice one.
Dang, that looks like the same fish.
Could be.
He liked that. He swallowed that thing, jeez. That's a nice one. Kind of fat. That could be the same fish. It really could. I'm not joking, I really think it could be.
Maybe.
Let's just jig right next to here. Whoa, got another one. Don't get tangled. Oh. That's a nice one. Good colors. It gets really deep right here.
Yeah, that's where they seem to hang out in those pools.
It gets super deep though. I mean, like, I'm talking really deep. Like 2 feet at least.
Okay.
There we go. Oh, he's small, that's why. Oh, hyper. He's a hyper little dude. Oh, species number 2. Queen sunfish.
Alright.
Huh. The bait's almost as big as he is. That'd be great bass bait, wouldn't it?
No doubt.
Whoa. Oh, wow, yeah. Oh,
Uh-huh.
what the heck?
Even before the lure hits the water.
Whoa!
There we go.
What is this?
First cast.
Whoa, this is a fighter. Whoa, what is this? Whoa, creek chub!
Oh, cool.
Oh. Wow, look at that. That's a beautiful one, too. See it? Whoa. Okay. Goodbye. Got one.
Whoa. Fighter.
Oh, I hooked him not even in the mouth. Ah, there he goes. Whoa! There we go, got another one. Might be, oh yeah, this is something bigger. Yeah, a bit bigger. Ooh, fat one though.
It is.
Nice, nice red-breasted. There we go. Fat one. Look at that. There's a release. Oh. Another green sunfish. That's a nice one. I don't know. If they were, they would be right there. I've learned the trick, by the way. I cast it right, and I just let it sit there, like for a long time. Not even moving it, just like this, right?
Right.
And then they just bite it usually.
Wow. Well, it's sitting there, huh?
Whoa. Oh, I snagged a bluegill. Now that would be the perfect bait.
Uh-huh.
He's already rigged up too. Where are we fishing? The Amazon? Holy crap! Whoa! Oh! No! I think I got a red breast. Wow! That is a nice fish.
It is.
No! I don't know what that was. Dang it. I had him. Couldn't tell what it was though. Comment if you know what it was. I don't know. I think it was a red breast, but you never know.
What's that?
There's a bag of Doritos.
Bag of burritos?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Whoa, yeah, that was a bite. There's definitely fish right here. They're all trapped right here. Oh. Whoa. Oh yeah. That's a better one. Oh yeah, that's a nicer one. Probably the biggest one of the day.
Yeah, that was a good size one.
Nice colors on them too. There goes. Alrighty guys, that's gonna be the end of the video. Make sure to like, subscribe, and do all that stuff. And have a nice little time up for you guys. So let's get that started. Peace.